Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, tips and tricks to know before you get your braces and what to know before you get your braces. So let's jump right into it. I'm on my way to work, but I wanted to make this video because I don't know if I was going to have time this afternoon to make this video. So you guys know, if you've been watching my videos for a long time, that I had spaced out teeth and crooked teeth. And all my life, I always wanted braces. So it was an insecurity of mine, honestly. And I'm pretty sure it was an insecurity of all of you guys, well, majority of you guys. And this is why you guys have braces right now. So yeah, so I always wanted to have braces, and I finally got them. And the first thing that you should do before you go get your braces is, number one, make sure that you eat a full meal, because you won't be able to eat anything. You won't be able to eat anything hard, and eating things that are soft is not fun. And the fact that you can't chew because you're not used to the braces, it will be you will lose some weight because your body's not used to not chewing, and you need to chew to digest correctly. So yeah, you're gonna lose a couple pounds because you're gonna be surviving off mac and cheese and soup, and it's not gonna be fun. And you gotta be careful because you don't want to break any brackets like I did. I literally broke a bracket the first day because I decided to eat something, but I felt like it was applied on wrong because one of my teeth were turned in, so it was all types of mess. Another thing, make sure you brush really well, because I feel like, for me, that's the foundation of my mouth. And when they take off the braces, that's what they're going to see, you know. Once you get your braces, it doesn't feel painful at all. It feels real strange. But you're going to feel pain for like 2 or 3 days. You're going to be very uncomfortable. You're not going to know how to talk. Be patient with yourself, because that's only going to last for like a week. You'll be able to communicate better, but just know that you won't be able to talk. You're going to have a lisp. And just like prepare yourself that you're never going to be the same again. Like, your mouth is not going to be the same again. You will have to learn how to talk again. You have to understand that, you know, the way you are used to talking is not going to be the same. Like, it's a difference between people who have braces and people who just grew up with natural straight teeth. They know how to talk, like, that's just how they know how to talk, like, since they were babies. So it's easy for them to talk. They're not going to talk with a lisp or anything. Like, our straight teeth with braces and their straight teeth without braces is not the same. It's not the same, guys. It's not the same at all. And another thing to know is, once you get your braces, right, they will clip the ends of the wires, and sometimes if they don't curl the ends of the wires to make it tight, they will start poking you, and they will poke your gums, and that's not fun. So they will give you these gummies, and you will put them like on top of your braces to, like, you know, make sure that you don't get poked, because it's not fun. I'm currently dealing with that right now, and my gums are like inflamed, but it doesn't poke me anymore. I don't know if my mouth is just used to it, but I just don't like using those wax because I end up eating them, and I eat them a lot because I be forgetting that they're in my mouth. I truly do be forgetting that they're in my mouth. Have fun with the colors, explore. Make sure you know not to get the colors that wash out so quickly. Do your research on that, because I learned my lesson. I had a velvet color, like purple, and the purple turned light purple, and it just didn't look right on my teeth. Right now I have black. Right now I am oh yeah, also I want to let you guys know, like, when you guys get your braces, you will not be on power chains immediately, unless you're in a very unique circumstance. But you're not going to get power chains. First, they will align your teeth, and they'll put those, like, they have to align your teeth to make sure they're all aligned before they straighten them out. For me, I thought that I was gonna get on power chains so like quickly because I didn't see how crooked my teeth was. So I was upset when they kept trying to straighten my teeth. I'm like, yo, I want power chains. What is going on? Because they kept pushing back my date to get power chains. I'm like, power chains, and I'm like, bruh, like I just wanted color, top and bottom. I only had that one time, but then they put me back on the regular like alignment thing because it's a whole process, you guys. But don't expect to be on power chains the first time you get it. You're gonna be on a wire, a really light wire to straighten your teeth out. Then they're gonna put another strong wire to make sure that it's more straightened. Then they're gonna put the power chains. Depends on how messed up your teeth is. So like, you guys, I have a lisp, and I thought I would never have a lisp, but I have a lisp. And listen, the rubber bands, like, I think I have an overbite. They did put me on rubber bands, but I'm not sure. But I realized, I'm like, the way I talk is totally different. Like, the way my jaw is and everything. And I'm like, the reason why the way I pronounce words may not be effective is because I'm not really acknowledging that I really need to start taking heed to the way I speak and getting used to that, because there's no going back at all. There's literally no going back. So keep that in mind, that you may need speech therapy, or you need to start working on the way you talk. Investing in your teeth is like the best investment in the world, because when people see you, they see your mouth, they see your smile, and it's very important. And so I know y'all getting your braces. I know you're excited. I know you're excited. I am excited for you guys, and I'm excited for your journey, and I'm excited for my journey too. For today's video, you guys, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and share if you can.